So today we will be doing pronunciation of new English words. Agatha, come and read these words and let the class repeat after you.
Repeat after me, everyone. Say Carlos,
Carlos,
Quagmire,
Quagmire. This is Choir Master now. Your people should stop confusing somebody.
Fabrication,
Fabrication,
Adornments,
adornments,
Chronology,
chronology,
Idiosyncrasy,
idiosyncrasy. Idiot is soon crazy. That is, idiot will soon be crazy.
Amphibiotic,
Antibiotic.
Serendipity,
Serendipity. You are in deep pity.
Gentacular,
Hey! A gentleman that is a Dracula.
Hullabaloo, Cacophony,
Coca-Cola, they say your company is funny, oh.
Ragamuffin, Lackadaisical, Microsmatic,
Me, I know it that this our teacher is asthmatic patient.
That's very good. Clap for her. Next, someone come and read this next section. Oh yeah, Owori Taco, it's your turn. I mean you, Taco, you. Yes, you.
Aya, all of you should repeat after me now. Please, no mistake, oh. Aya, everybody say P, 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 P. P, I beg. P in the top hurry. Say plagui. Aya say nui sanise. Say babuire. Say this one now. Barcelona. Say barifo tea. Aya say ba NSC. Say pressure. Say baronage. Yes, that means he is a gay. Aya say crew is say. Yes, that is when Igbo elders are praying. He say. Aya say NIN come poo. Now you know the meaning of NIN. Aya say depend the blind is say. Last one now. Oh no ma. Topo ya. Thank you for watching that video. To support our ministerial contiguity of our ministry, please click the subscribe button and turn on notification so that you will get our posts every Friday at 8 a.m.